Open the App Store. Find and install the Insta X4 app. Open the app, do whatever you want with the terms of use, and grant the necessary app permissions. I personally don't allow the application to send notifications. The others are okay. You have an Insta camera, so select Yes. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Give the app the necessary rights to find the device. Start the camera. The app will find your camera. Connect. Accept the device pair in the camera. The app is likely to offer an update. Download and install it. Follow the instructions on your phone and camera screen. Finally, after the update, if the app asks to connect to the camera, accept it. That was it. If this video was helpful, you know what to do. See ya.